Google just dropped something inside NotebookLM that changes the entire content production game for solo operators. You research one topic one time, and the system spits out 5 different content formats simultaneously: short-form video scripts, full podcast episodes, slide decks, infographics, complete reports, all from that single research session. Most creators are still researching separately for every single piece they produce. That model is dead. And at the very end of this video, I am showing you the exact focus prompt structure that actually makes the output client ready instead of generic. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I show you how to use free AI tools to build real service businesses without the subscription overhead. If you want the complete system for turning tools like NotebookLM into actual monthly income, step by step, my daily deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing only shows up for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is live. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here's the problem most people hit when they try to scale content production. They research a topic once, they write one video script or one article, then they move on. If they want a podcast version of that same idea, they start over. If they need an infographic for Instagram, they research again. The entire workflow is duplicated across every format. Most content creation platforms charge you $99 to $199 a month to solve this with templates and automation features. That subscription tax hits before you have landed a single client or made your first invoice. And honestly, there is a reason the tools that get recommended hardest in most courses also happen to pay the person recommending them. That is worth knowing before you hand over your card details. I know what that wait feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no clients and no budget. A $200 monthly bill before the first dollar came in was not something I could just absorb. That is exactly why setups like this one matter. NotebookLM is free. The model context protocol integration is free. The storage layer is free. You are building a multi-format content engine on zero-cost infrastructure. What you are looking at is something I call the parallel production framework. Instead of creating one piece and repeating the process 4 more times, you generate all 5 formats in one action from a single research input. NotebookLM handles the heavy content generation. The Agent OS structure organizes everything into searchable galleries so you can find past outputs instantly. And the model context protocol connection makes it all sync across your workspace without switching tabs or copying files manually. Let me show you how this actually runs. You start with NotebookLM. You drop in your research source. That could be a transcript, a PDF, a set of articles, a competitor video breakdown. NotebookLM digests it. From there, you connect it to your Agent OS using the Model Context Protocol. That protocol lets different AI systems talk to each other and share context. Once the connection is live, you have 5 tabs inside your OS. 1 for short videos, 1 for podcasts, 1 for infographics, 1 for slide decks, 1 for reports. Each tab has a generator and a gallery. You hit generate once. The system pulls the research from NotebookLM and produces all 5 formats at the same time. Every output gets saved automatically to its own gallery. You can scroll through past videos, past podcasts, past decks, all in one workspace. Everything syncs to your Obsidian Vault, which means it lives across every agent and workspace you run. You are not hunting through folders or trying to remember which file went with which project. Think about what this means for someone offering social media content creation to local businesses. 1 research session on roofing industry trends. 5 outputs, short video scripts for Reels, a podcast episode on the same topic, an infographic breaking down seasonal demand, a slide deck for a webinar, and a full report the client can send to their email list. That package used to take 5 separate production cycles. With this framework, it takes 1 afternoon, and the system costs nothing to run. That is a $1,200 content package built on free infrastructure. Let me keep building. The way most platforms handle multi-format content is they bundle it inside a plan. You pay monthly whether you use it or not. You are locked into their template library and their export options. This setup gives you the same capability with none of that weight. The bottleneck is not ideas. It is production speed. This framework removes that bottleneck completely. You research once. You generate 5 times. You organize it all in galleries so nothing gets lost. Then you repeat that cycle weekly. Now here is the part almost nobody talks about when they show you NotebookLM workflows. The default outputs are solid but generic. If you hand a client a podcast script that sounds like every other AI-generated explainer, they are not renewing. There is one configuration layer you add to the system that makes the output feel custom and specific to their brand voice every single time. Give me 60 seconds. Every format tab inside the Agent OS has a focus field. That field is where you steer the direction. You can tell the system to write for a specific audience, match a certain tone, emphasize particular angles. Most people skip this step and wonder why the output feels flat. The paid platforms hide this behind preset audience templates you cannot edit. Here you control it completely. A roofing company wants bold, direct language aimed at homeowners dealing with leaks. You set that focus. A chiropractor wants calm, educational content for people dealing with chronic pain. You set that focus. The system applies it across all 5 formats automatically. That is the difference between content that sounds like a template and content that actually matches the client brief. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. My daily deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30 while that price is live. It walks you through the exact framework I use to turn tools like this into real monthly retainers. Drop a comment and let me know if you are grabbing it. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Picture a solo operator running social media management for 3 local clients. She used to spend 2 full days per client creating content for the week, 6 days total. With this framework, she drops one research source into NotebookLM, maybe a competitor analysis or industry news roundup. She connects it to the agent OS. She sets the focus for each client in their format tab. She hits generate. 5 minutes later, she has short video scripts, podcast outlines, infographic drafts, slide decks, and written reports, all formatted and ready to review. She makes minor edits to match each client brand. Total production time for all 3 clients drops from 6 days to 1 afternoon. That time savings alone justifies a pricing increase. She is delivering more formats in less time. The client sees more value. She charges more per month. And her production cost stayed at 0. Think about what you can offer with this stack running. A local gym wants weekly social content. You research fitness trends once. You generate video scripts for their reels, a podcast episode they can post on Spotify, infographics for their Instagram feed, slide decks for member workshops, and blog posts for their website. That is 5 different content types from one research input. Most social scheduling platforms with built-in content generation charge $149 a month for a fraction of this capability. Your version costs nothing to run and you keep full control over the output. Or take SEO content for service businesses. A plumber needs regular blog posts to rank locally. You research plumbing FAQs once. You generate 5 different article formats: how-to guides, listicles, case studies, infographics, and video scripts, all optimized for local search terms. You deliver the full package as a monthly retainer. Platforms that bundle AI writing with SEO tools charge $200 a month and still require manual formatting. You built the same system for free, or custom knowledge bases for employee training. A roofing company needs onboarding materials for new hires. You research their process once. You generate training videos, podcast episodes, walking through safety protocols, infographic checklists, slide decks for in-person sessions, and written manuals. That is a $2,000 setup fee. The tool costs you nothing. You own the entire workflow. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is, the focus prompt structure that actually makes output client ready instead of generic. Inside each format tab, you have a focus field. Most people write something vague like make it professional or keep it engaging. That does not steer the AI enough. What works is this. You name the audience first, then the outcome they want, then the tone that matches their current emotional state. Example, homeowners dealing with roof leaks who want fast answers without getting sold, written in a calm problem-solving tone. That level of specificity changes everything. The system knows who it is writing for, what they need, and how to sound. Apply that format across all 5 content types, and suddenly the output feels like it was written by someone who knows the client business. That is the prompt layer most workflows skip. Now you have it. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this framework running in your stack. You research once per week. You generate 5 formats every time. You deliver multi-channel content packages that used to take other freelancers 6 days to produce. You are charging more because you are delivering more, and your production costs stayed at 0. You are not paying monthly subscriptions for content tools. You are not locked into preset templates. You built a modular content engine on free infrastructure, and you control every piece of it. That is the leverage most solo operators never get access to. Now you do. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.